Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Barakos here talking to you about weather patterns today. Just in case you forgot, a weather pattern is when something repeats itself. It could be letters like an A, B, A, B, A, B situation, or shapes, a circle, square. But today we're going to be talking about patterns in weather. So that's going to be weather that repeats itself. So we're going to look over here at this little story, and I'm going to read it to you. It says, 3 friends are talking about the weather. Who is describing a weather pattern? Is it Omar who says it's very cold today? Is it Maria who says January is colder than June? Or is it Aaron that says it snowed for 5 hours? I want you to pause for a second and talk to either your mom, your dad, a friend, your brother or sister, and tell me what you think is the right answer. If you decided that Aaron was correct, you are also correct. The snow repeated for 5 hours. It's a little tricky on that one, but it was 5 hours. Hour 2, hour 3, hour 4, and hour 5. So it repeated for 5 hours. All right, friends, now I want you to look up at the top of this page and notice that there are 4 different trees. I want you to look at the pictures or observe them with your eyes and think about the seasons. So we have spring, summer, winter, and fall. And I want you to think about and wonder in your head about the weather in that season. So if you look at the first picture, you have a bright green tree. The second picture is a little bit brown. The third picture, all of the leaves have fallen off. And then the fourth picture, it looks like they're just starting to sprout. So I want you to stop for a second and think about what season each of these trees are in. Go ahead and use these sentence frames. I think the season is, fill in the blank, and then justify it. Because what do you see that justifies what your idea or what your wonder is? Now we're going to move down to the second part, the middle of the page, where it says essential question. And it says, what weather patterns do you observe in the seasons? And if you look at the picture, I circled it so that you could focus on that picture and not the trees. If you notice, I gave you a hint over here that there are leaves all over the ground. So think in your head and wonder and think, which season do you see? And then write your answer on the lines that are in your page in your packet. All right, friends, I want you to leave today knowing that you are little science engineers. You're practicing interpreting data, you're developing models. We did this with observing the weather over the course of a couple days, and now you're looking at different images or pictures of trees and stuff that are letting you know in your brain that you know the difference between one season to the next. So keep it up. We will be working on it all week. Have a great day.